Okay, YouTube. I just want to go ahead and just show y'all that real fast. But that seemed to be one of the little issues that I've been having on this Chevrolet Tahoe. I want to say it's been going on maybe about 2 weeks now, maybe 2.5 weeks now, and I really don't know what actually is making it do that. But I don't know if I need to, change the TPS because it's, going bad, or, rechange the fluid and stuff. Go ahead and use the mobile one. I heard that that's supposed to help with the shuttering and stuff. I don't know if this, what the shutter is, what everyone talking about on the Chevrolet Tahoes, or is it something else? Or it could just be like a little transmission issue, or is it something down in the transmission that I gotta change, like solenoid or something. I don't know. But any Chevrolet Tahoe owners, just let me know what that is. Let me see if it do it again right quick. I was just kind of quiet at first to just kind of let y'all kind of see it in here, but let's see if it can do it again. And again, I'm holding the pedal down. I'm not gassing or nothing, just giving it the regular throttle. That's what I did a minute ago. Okay, well right now everything good. I ain't trying to go all the way over the speed limit. Well, let's see. The light down here red. Let me see if I can come to a stop and then try it again right quick. Slow down. I already was going about 5 over the speed limit a minute ago. Let me slow down. So the light's red now. Let's see if this works. But yeah, this is one of the things that I've been really dealing with. If y'all really know what it is, just go ahead and just let me know. Give me recommendations. I just recently had the transmission flush yesterday at the Valvoline. I also got the differential oil done as well. But I don't know. I'm just, still trying to figure out what the hell this is. And if y'all know, man, just really go ahead and let me know. Okay, light green. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it again. Remember, I am giving it throttle. Like the RPM jump up and stuff. Let's see. Okay, it just did it again. Did it again. I don't know what that is, but if y'all know, go ahead and comment and let me know what it is, and give me some recommendations on how to go ahead and get it fixed and all that stuff. But this Unmarked pursuit vehicles, letting y'all know what the little issue that I just recently have on this 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe, the PPV version, police version, whatever you want to call it. Just let me know what it is. Unmarked pursuit out. Y'all take it easy.